Hello everyone and welcome to the hands-on demo on Amazon QuickSight. So to log into QuickSight, you have to first sign up for QuickSight. And for that you can log into AWS console, and I am at console home and search for QuickSight. Click on QuickSight. So you will be taken to this particular screen, and there will be like 4 free users for 30 days. And then you can just say sign up for QuickSight, and you can enter an email address. So I'll just use my this particular email address for this particular tutorial, and just choose the default IAM federated identities and QuickSight managed users, and default region I'll just choose US East 1 North Virginia, and you can provide a name. So I'll provide the domain which I own, and that's all. Just make sure you unselect this add pixel perfect reports and keep the default allow access and auto discovery for these resources, and click on finish. So this will create your account. So we have kept the default options and unchecked. Then after some time, account will be created successfully, and then you will be shown some visualization like how it works. So QuickSight lets you easily visualize and analyze your data. So you connect. So basically you connect your data sources, which can be on AWS, on premises and other places. And Amazon QuickSight use Spice, our super fast calculation engine, to deliver blazing fast performance on your datasets. And then you explore your data, perform deep analysis, and create stunning visualization and dashboards. And you can share insights with you. So you create dashboards and publish and share interactive dashboards and analysis that can be accessed anytime on any device. And then you can have all these data sets. So the account is created successfully. Now click on go to QuickSight. So these are all the datasets. We can upload a file directly. We have Salesforce, S3 Analytics, S3, Redshift, RDS, Athena, MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, Spark, Presto, MariaDB, Aurora, Teradata, Snowflake, Google BigQuery, AWS IoT Analytics, then Amazon OpenSearch, TimeStream, Exasol, Databricks, Jira, GitHub, Starburst, Trino, ServiceNow, Adobe Analytics, and from existing data sources like web and social media, sales pipeline, business review, and people overview. Okay, right. So I'm now at the QuickSight dashboard, and same thing which I talked about, and getting started. So this is the home page, and you can see all this like your my folders, shared folders, data stories, dashboards, any kind of analysis. So these are some sample analysis and data sets. So click on datasets, and there'll be like few already existing ones, sample ones. So now I will create a new dataset. So click on new dataset and upload a file. And so there is a QuickSight. So this file will be available in the resources section. So I'll just upload this particular file, and so it will load a preview. So this is how it looks like. They are like 6 columns total. So there is date, product, category, region, sales, and quantity. So this is this is just a preview. So actual file looks something like this, and it has some around 30 rows and 6 columns. And you can just say next and click on visualize, and just choose the default interactive sheet, tiled layout, and 1600 pixel, and then just click on create. So I'll talk about the visualization that I'll create now. So this is the file, and so we'll create some visualization. Then it becomes like it will become more obvious how we can visualize this particular data. So we have uploaded the data set, and so first visualization is a pie chart, which is sales by region. So on the left side, you will see all the columns being listed: category, date, product, quantity, region, and sales. So I'm saying create me a pie chart. So you just choose the visualization type, pie chart, and then you say you want to group by which column. So I'll bring region. I'll just drag region to this particular place here, and the value which will be like sales, and that will be sum of sales. So it will do an aggregation, and it will render a pie chart like this, like south have this much of sales, east, north, and west. So if you see the data, then you have this particular region like north, east, south, and then sales. So there are total 30 records. So for every north, it will just add up the total sales and it will render in that pie chart. Okay, now going back to the dashboard. So here are my 6 columns, and I will select this particular pie chart. So click pie chart. So you will see pie chart here, and group by. So I'll say region, region. Okay, let me just try again. What happened? Okay, let me just confirm pie chart and add. Okay, right. So add should just hover over that particular place, and then I take sales and put under a value. So this is how the first visualization looks like. So this is total sales by region. So next visualization that I will create will be a line chart, which is sales by date. So for every date, it will calculate the total sale, and it will show. So Jan 1st 2023, this was the total sales, and then Jan 2nd, 3rd, and all the way up to the last date. So I'll create here, click here. So this is the second sheet. So this is sheet 1, sheet 2, and now we are creating a line chart. So click on this one, line chart. So if you just hover over all the visualization, you will see all the different types of visualization that you can create. And I will click line chart. So what I have to add, date and sales. So I take the date and click on x-axis, and I take the sales and click here on the value, which is y-axis, and this is how the line chart looks like. So this is my second visualization, and now we'll create a third one. This will be a vertical bar chart, and it will be product by quantity. So there are products and how much is the total quantity. So I'll click here. This will be third sheet, and I have to select vertical bar chart. So click on vertical bar chart and select product for x-axis and quantity for the y-axis or the value. So product and quantity will come here on the value. So this is the so it will say widget A has this much total quantities and gizmo C is this much. So it has added up across all the records, and it is, so there are total of 4 products. So if I find out under product, we have widget A, gadget, gizmo, and doohickey. So these are the total 4 products in the in our data, sample data, and we can see the visualization. So finally, now we will publish the dashboard. So once we have all these 3, what you can do, just publish it. So click here on the top right, publish, and give your dashboard a name. So I'll call it sales overview. Paste, and you can check out the advanced options as well. So you can have all these options like expand top of sheet controls panel by default, enable ad hoc filtering, enable on hover tooltip, enable print, enable PDF download, enable maximize visual option, enable visual menu, enable drill up, drill down, and enable on click tooltip, and enable sort options. Then click on publish dashboard. So this will publish the dashboard, and after publishing it will show on the home page of QuickSight. So this is the starting landing page, and I can see my specific dashboard, and I can, if I click other sheets, so I can see the data also. So this will render based on the data. So it is fetching from the dataset, and if there is a change in dataset, this will also dynamically change. And that's all. So after this, if you want, you can click here. You can just check out the other options also. So what's new in Amazon QuickSight? There is a support for Amazon Q, and it supports BigQuery, Direct Query, and some other features like nested filters and learning series webinars. So you can, if you follow this quick tutorial, then you can definitely go have a look. For the time being, I'll just close it, and now I will just delete the dataset because I'm done with this analysis. So I will come here, and this one went. So what I can do, I can just go to datasets and select a dataset and click on delete. So it will say where it's being used, so just say delete. So the dataset is deleted, and what I can, so once I delete it, I can just unsubscribe it. So you can just go to your account and say manage QuickSight, then go to the account settings and say you want to terminate your account, so that you don't incur any more charges. So this will cost some money if you are performing this, but I've tried to keep it very short. So click on account settings and manage. And just unselect this one. Account termination protection is on, and after that copy paste it. So this will delete the account, and your all content have been deleted. So this has just removed your account from the QuickSight. Your AWS account will be still be there. And that's all. Thanks for watching.